how to manage storage on Gmail. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll share tips with you on how you can manage your storage on your Gmail. So the first thing that you can do is to search for large emails, alright? Select and delete emails that are taking up a lot of space. That's where you'll be able to manage your storage. And another thing to do is to empty your trash and spam, alright? The emails in your trash and spam are also occupying space, so you can do your best to empty them by moving to the top left corner of the screen. Click on the three horizontal lines. Then amongst the options displayed, you can see spam. Select it and you can see empty spam now. Click on that and then your spam will be emptied into your trash. Then the next step will be for you to go to your trash, which is also called the bin. And once you're here, click on empty bin now, and all of the things you've deleted will be permanently deleted, and that way your storage space would be maintained. All right, and then another thing you can do is to use the Google One app to manage storage across all Google services. You can also utilize that in order to manage your storage. So that is it. This is majorly how you can manage storage on your Gmail. So have a good day. All right.